This is going to be a maneuver to try and activate some of the deep neck flexors along with an opening of the lower mandible. So going from kind of phase one to a little more challenging. First, I just take my thumb and I'm going to find the point of my chin, and if I go just behind the point of my chin, I'm going to feel this like soft area, right where kind of my lower mandible meets just like a softness in my palate. So first I'm going to take my tongue and I'm going to press it behind my teeth and the roof of my mouth, and in doing that I'm going to feel this soft area kind of expand into my thumb, right? So I can't really talk while I'm doing this, but this little bit of a tongue press, I feel this like bulging underneath here, which is a nice little isometric contraction, right? So as I go to do this stuff, first thing I want to think about is very lightly keeping my chin from jutting out away from my throat. So first I would have someone very lightly tuck their chin, not hard like I do with some of the other deep neck flexor positions, but a very light tuck, just trying to stay away from being in this protracted position. So subtly towards the throat. Now in that position, I'm going to do exactly what I just mentioned. The tongue behind the roof of the teeth. And I'm going to hold that for 3 to 5 seconds and relax. And I may try 5 of those, right? Now after that, I want to work on using the muscles that open my jaw, because most of us are more tense and used to compressing our jaw, chewing, biting, things like that. So it's going to be a similar concept with the chin, a very light tuck. I like to maintain the tongue behind the roof of the teeth just because it maintains some stability to my mandible. I'm not going to press to create as much of a contraction, but I am going to just very subtly resist my chin with my thumb as I open. So I'm keeping my tongue pressed against the roof of my mouth to create some stability in my mandible. I'm keeping my chin slightly tucked, and I'm giving myself a little bit of manual resistance with my thumb, so my chin kind of has to work against something to open. So this is really trying to activate these lower muscles in my jaw, some deeper neck flexors, some muscles that work on more opening as opposed to this compression, clenching that I'm used to doing with chewing. I can even use 2 thumbs if I feel more comfortable. But with this one, I'm looking for just a slight pause when I open and a slow closing. Just making sure that I maintain good cervical posture while I do it.